Adaptability and resilience. One of the biggest challenges is that we face as a company here at Ready 5 Restoration is obviously hurricanes. There's a lot of people affected, typically with a lot of damage, and we have to be ready to assist, overcome, and adapt all the challenges that come with those kinds of situations. One of the ways that we deal with that, let's say a hurricane situation, is prior to landfall, our teams are constantly meeting to get a game plan on how we're going to move into the affected area, what resources do we need to be successful, um, and then once the hurricane comes through or that event takes place, then after that it's just constant communication. The team's getting on, whether it's a Teams call, it's a text message system, whether it's an in-person meeting, all hands on deck every day to find out who needs what, where it needs to be, to provide the best customer service that we can to the people that need us most, and especially during a hurricane.